Hi guys, welcome to the video, and today I'm going to show you how to add websites like these to the home screen and turn them into apps. Let's get straight into the video. So for the first step, you need to make your way to Safari. Go on Google and search your website. So I'll choose iFixit. Scroll down, click on the website. So when you landed on your website, you want to click the middle icon at the bottom of the menu bar. Scroll down to add to home screen, and then you can change the name if you want to, but I'm going to leave it. So click add, and it will take you back to the menu, swipe, and you'll find it here. So this will act as a normal app, so you can hold, rearrange, you can add to folders, you can hold and drag them to new pages, new folders. It'll act like a normal app. So when you click on it, it will go straight to the website. So that's it for the tip, guys. I hope it helped you. If it did, leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you in the next one.